Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Benjamin and you are watching Sartorial Styles. Many of you asked for it. Today, finally, I unbox a Neapolitan Cut Sports Jacket from Spier Mackay. Let's go. Before we actually unbox the jacket, let's talk a little bit about the experience. So I decided to order this jacket on Friday last week, late in the evening, and on Monday this week, Spier Mackay sent me an email and asked if I really want to order it because there could be taxes I have to pay. I said yes, so they shipped it out on Tuesday, and on Thursday I got a text message from UPS and they said, hey, you have to pay taxes, and I said, yeah, okay. They provided me a payment link and I had to pay about 60 euros of taxes. 12 of these 60 euros were actually some kind of fee for UPS and the rest were import taxes. And one day later, it's Friday now, the parcel arrived at my door. So all in all, it's quite a nice and quite a fast experience, especially considering this went from Canada to Germany in only 3 days. I had to pay the taxes, but half of the amount I had to pay will be available as a coupon in my user dashboard from Spier Mackay. So half of the taxes are store credit, the other half I had to pay on my own basically. Yeah, so now let's finally unbox it. I'm very excited. I went for a US 36 size because the 34 was not available and because the 34 would be a bit tight in the shoulder area and it would be too short. The sleeves would be too short. So that's at least what I was able to pick up from their measurements and from their sizing table. So I decided to go for a 36, knowing that I will probably have to get this jacket altered a little bit, especially in the waist area. But yeah, maybe I don't have to, we'll see in a second. The jacket arrived in a garment bag with a Spier Mackay logo on it, and as I can see it also comes with a hanger. That's always pretty nice. So let me open this garment bag up. Okay, here we are. So the jacket is also wrapped in plastic. The hanger is made of plastic as well. Okay. Yeah, here we are. This is the fabric. Very nice, very nice fabric actually. I didn't know that this jacket was butterfly lined, but it is indeed. Yeah, in the inside it says Spier Mackay Fine Suit Makers, and on the other side it says Lanficio Cerruti, so it's a cloth made in Italy from Cerruti. Yeah, I think without further ado, let me try this jacket on and you will see some videos on screen where I wear this jacket, and then I will come back to you with my final thoughts on how I like the jacket, how it fits and all that stuff. So, up to my final thoughts. I like this jacket a lot, really. The fabric is very nice. The quality and the craftsmanship are outstanding actually for this price point. Very good. I love the 3-roll 2 buttoning. It gives a very nice, slightly Italian, slightly more casual and interesting touch. Really like the patch pockets and especially the additional patch ticket pocket, if you want to say it like that. It's really something you don't see from the beginning, but when you look at the jacket a little bit closer, you can see this detail and it's a very nice one. The fit is surprisingly good actually. It could be maybe a little bit tighter in the waist area indeed, but I don't actually think that I have to get this altered because it really fits extremely well. I'm wearing it with the turtleneck right now. It will be a little bit looser when I wear it with a shirt, but this is a winter sports coat after all, so I will probably wear this a lot with sweaters or cardigans or that stuff, and for that the fit is really nice actually. So for this price point, I don't remember exactly what I paid. They had a 20% off sports coat thing going on at the moment where I ordered the jacket, but for this price, this is great actually. This is very good. I will wear this a lot over the next couple of days and weeks, and I will definitely publish a picture on my Instagram account, or maybe multiple ones, of me styling this jacket. So if you're interested in that, feel free to follow my Instagram account at sartorialstylescom. Feel free to follow my YouTube channel as well, subscribe to it and leave a like and a comment, all that stuff. What I would like to know is, what else from Spier and Mackay should I try out in your opinion? If you want to write this in the comments, that would be very nice. So, that's already it. My unboxing of the Spier and Mackay Neapolitan Cut Sports Jacket. I am very satisfied. Thank you very much for watching. Have a nice time and see you next week.